Tired of dragging around a bulky vacuum that feels like more of a workout than a cleaning session? Today, we are looking at the Philips PowerPro Compact, a 900-watt bagless vacuum that promises powerful suction in a lightweight body. Let us find out if it actually delivers. Starting with what it does well. The 900-watt motor paired with Power Cyclone 5 technology gives you strong and consistent suction that works on both hard floors and low-pile carpets. The tri-active nozzle deep cleans carpets, picks up large debris, and reaches along walls and furniture edges all in one single pass. For allergy sufferers, the Allergy H13 HEPA filter captures over 99.9% of fine dust particles, including pollen and pet hair. So the air coming out of this machine is genuinely clean. It is also bagless, which means no ongoing bag costs. Just detach the transparent dust container, empty it with one hand, rinse it, and you are done. Add in its lightweight build, smooth rolling wheels, and a built-in soft brush on the handle, and daily cleaning becomes surprisingly effortless. Now the cons. The dust container is on the smaller side, so if you have a large home or pets, you will be emptying it more frequently than you would like. Some users have reported that the plastic connectors feel a bit flimsy over time, and the suction hose can be slightly stiff. There is also no electronic suction power control. You can only adjust the airflow manually on the tube handle, which feels like a missing feature at this price point. And when it comes to noise, it is not whisper quiet. Sensitive ears will definitely notice it. So is it worth it? Absolutely, for the right person. If you live in a small to medium-sized home, deal with allergies, and want a reliable, easy-to-maintain vacuum without spending a fortune, the Philips PowerPro Compact is a genuinely smart buy. It will not impress users with large homes or thick carpets, but for everyday cleaning, it punches well above its price tag.